All right, so how do I come up with a food truck name? So if you're looking to launch a food truck business, one of the first things you need to come up with, obviously, aside from finding out your budget and the type of menu, is a name. But how do you name a food truck? Well, the one resource I can definitely attest to is ChatGPT. This software can actually help you name any type of food truck, no matter the type of cuisine or food. And I'm actually going to give you a really quick rundown of how this works. So if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it actually is a software, an AI-driven software program that allows you to come up with brainstorming of ideas, infinite amount of things that you can do with this. But specifically for food truck naming, I'm going to show you how this works. So I went ahead and typed in this sentence, how do I come up with a name for a food truck? We're going to go ahead and click go, and we're going to see what it actually spits out here in just a matter of a few seconds of how to come up with a name. Now, of course, depending on your cuisine, if it's a pizza, hamburger, taco truck, sushi, and so on, you want a specific name set for the type of cuisine. Now, this is actually going to give you some pointers on how to think of it. But the other great thing is, I'm going to ask it to give me some names. This can brainstorm names for you infinitely. It can give you hundreds and hundreds or even thousands of different names for your food truck. Now, of course, let's look at the top really quick. You want to identify, as I mentioned, your food truck's concept. This is where you want to start off with. What is the concept? Like, what type of cuisine type are you going to have? Who's your target audience? All of these things come into play when you're trying to name your food truck. Unique selling proposition. What makes your food truck stand out? Because that may actually help you come up with a great name, depending upon what separates you from other food truck vendors. Next one is brainstorming. Well, that's why we're going to use ChatGPT, and we're going to go through this right here, keeping it simple and memorable. So, what I'm going to do is, after all of this information, I need a list of 100. And we'll do 50. 50 taco food truck names. Now, again, your cuisine, simply replace the word taco with hamburger, sushi, if it happens to be hot dogs. If it's ice cream truck, you can come up with a name for that as well. Just simply change the word right here. Oh, by the way, really quick, ChatGPT, you can set up a free account for this. You don't have to pay for it. They do have a premium version. You can pay for that. I actually pay for it myself. It's $20 a month. But this thing can help you do all kinds of stuff with your food truck. And in this channel, Food Truck Freaks, I've got tons of videos, by the way, coming out to show you how ChatGPT can actually help your food truck business grow and make even more money. So list 50 taco food truck names for my taco truck. Make it memorable and potentially a website name. Now, that's also something you want to think of as well, is that the name of your taco truck could potentially be your website domain name. Now remember, I'm going to go ahead and click go, and let's see what it spits out here. Now remember, the only catch to this is that once you find a name from ChatGPT, you need to verify that it's not taken in your state. So let's say you're in Florida and you had one of these names for your taco truck. You need to check with the state to find out if that name is taken. And if it's not, then that allows you to go ahead and get it. So look at this. Literally, you do not have to come up with this brainstorming ideas yourself. Look at all of these names. Baja Bites Boulevard, Rolling Taco Revelry, Taco Trolley Time, Zesty Taco Zoom, Taco Vista Van, and so on. You can see all of these amazing names literally brainstorming for you in a matter of seconds. So if you're asking yourself, how do you name a food truck, specifically a taco food truck, and any other type of food truck, you can do it with ChatGPT and do it in less than just a couple of minutes. So if this video was helpful, do give me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about naming your food truck, please let us know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in our next video here on Food Truck Freaks.